Strip Down Poverty is this fantastic event in which students get to participate directly in their community, where they get to donate the clothes right off their backs and run around the oval, and it's just this amazing experience that every student should be involved in. Strip Down Poverty started as an event to promote the legacy of Ruth Weimer Mountain. It's a fantastic way for us as Mounties to get the whole student body involved in a great cause and really make an impact.
The involvement fair starts at 1:30 in Mendenhall Labs. Basically, what we're going to be doing is we're going to have student orgs and nonprofit organizations from around Columbus come to actually educate people about the poverty in the local Columbus area and hopefully give volunteer opportunities for everyone to participate in. In order to run in the race, all you need to do is bring extra clothing to donate to Hilltop Clothes Shop. At 2:30, the run is going to start. There's going to be 2 laps around the oval, and then everyone's going to come back and have refreshments.